Hey, what's up guys? Mr. Greek 2002 here. In today's video guys, I'm actually here at the mall heading on over to the Apple store because I've got an appointment set up today to take in my AirPods Pro. That's right, my AirPods Pro that I purchased last November, brand new, simply because I have the issue where I have them on in my ears playing and I hear like some strange sounds, like static sounds and strange noises, and therefore I want to take them in. I also recently actually found out that apparently these AirPods have actually been sort of recalled, and it's now known to Apple that there was a problem with the initial batch of AirPod Pros that were produced. So they created some new program for us to come in, bring our AirPod Pros, and get them replaced. So what exactly do they replace? They replace the actual AirPods, the ones that are inside here, not the actual case, just the AirPods themselves. So without further ado, on to the video. Let's head on inside and head on over to the Apple store. Now I'm walking into the mall. Here I am guys in the mall. Here's the Apple store where everyone's getting serviced. I'm heading on over to the back. Where's the actual lineup to wait to get service. And here it is, the back. Want to make a purchase, express purchase, okay. And the other side says here, Genius Bar Reservations, that's us. Okay. After waiting guys in line for a few minutes, I was finally called over to go ahead and sit down in order to get service. So, here goes nothing guys. Let's hope they take care of my problem and give me new replacement AirPod Pros. As you guys can see here, the actual Apple Store inside has no customers. It's just actual Apple Store employees themselves and the products. There's no actual customers. On to the video.
I love the new phone, by the way.
Thank you.
It's obviously an amazing color.
It's a first day phone.
Oh, seriously? Okay. How are you liking it?
Very good.
Yeah. What's going on with the AirPods?
Problem was the AirPods, yeah. I got some kind of like message on my online Apple blogs or whatever, they like iClarify and like all those big ones, right?
Yeah.
So they come in with your AirPods and they give you a new one. I just recently noticed a problem with it. The problem with the sound, staticky and everything that's in the blog.
Yeah.
So I'm here to say I'm the first day and I want to get my new one again.
Did you order them today, or was it more of like has it been a while?
No. This is the first batch of them. This is back last year, 2018.
Oh, got you. Okay,
In
okay.
November, December, and these are the first batch ones. So those are the ones that affected. Now, I didn't check a serial number to make sure before I came. I'm just guessing.
Okay.
It's up to you guys to make sure it's yes or no.
It is in all right,
Yeah.
sweet. All right, I'll make sure of that.
Yeah.
Let's find out. Are you happy with the issues though, or?
Yes, yeah, no, you hear the noise, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And they just give you new actual pods, not the whole case, right? Yeah. That's okay. Whatever, give me. I don't mind about the whole thing or just everything.
I mean, the good thing is you're still under warranty, which is great too.
Oh, yeah, okay.
It is a 1-year warranty. Do you
Yeah.
want to get the after-care warranty as well? It's
No.
$40.
No.
Yeah? So let me take it into the back. I'm just going to run a quick diagnostic on
Yeah.
it, and we should be good to go.
But I hear it, yeah.
All right?
Okay.
So, I'll be back.
Thank you.
Eventually.
What
Okay.
you have to do when you get home is just keep both of the AirPods in the case,
Okay.
closed and plugged in
Yeah.
for 30 minutes
Okay.
without opening the case.
Yeah.
It will automatically update them
Okay.
so that you can use them.
Yep, thank you. So let's say, because, I've had AirPods since the first gen, like maybe 2-3 years ago, 2017 something, right? Yeah. I bought that same thing, first day pretty much they came out.
Yeah.
Anyway, so back then, they were saying, let's say you lose one, and your friend has one extra one for sale, and you buy from him, it will not work with your case. Is that true or not? I don't know.
No, you can. You can
Yeah.
definitely use it. It's just,
Now you can, you're saying, but
Yeah.
back then, I don't know, maybe not.
I mean, as long as it's the same version,
Yeah.
then you can repair them together.
Yeah,
So-
because I did lose one,
Yeah.
and then I thought that I couldn't buy a friend of mine's or somebody else's online or let's say on eBay or whatever, right?
Yeah.
I'd have to come here and buy a new one. So I came here and buy a new one. I don't, I had to come there, pay $100 plus tax, whatever it was, to buy a new one, and it was expensive and really, took a long time, I don't know, whatever. And they said, man, you're crazy. You can go eBay, you can buy it for $20 and I was like, really? I thought you had to program it with Apple. They said, no, I don't know. I don't know if it's true or not. I don't know.
No, I mean, it's registered to your device.
Yeah.
Essentially, the case is.
Yeah.
But technically, the AirPods, you can't
Oh,
use the different
they're not. Okay, I thought they were. Okay. So they're not tied to the case. The case is only tied to your phone.
Yeah, the case is tied to your phone.
Yeah.
Awesome. So I just need a quick autograph from you right over here.
Okay, yeah.
A few moments later.
All right, so these are the extra tips.
Okay.
So that you have different sizes.
Yep, thank you.
And you're good to go. What's up?
And everything's in the box, right?
Yep.
They have the cable in here still. Never used it. It's all here. You guys Okay.
You got it. All right, brilliant. Thank you so much.
Okay, take care.
No worries. Stay safe.
Have a good day. And that's it. I'm now heading out of the Apple Store and into the parking lot.
Few minutes later.
So there you have it, guys. Apple replaced my AirPod Pros, the actual AirPods themselves, but the actual AirPod Pro case was not replaced. It's my original one, unfortunately. But on the positive side, it still is functioning and working 100% perfectly fine, so I'm happy with that. Apparently, my AirPods are still under warranty, so I do have a couple of weeks more left of warranty. As for the actual AirPods themselves, the new ones they replaced, all right. They told me just now they're going to give me a 90-day warranty on these AirPod Pros themselves. And they also gave me 2 sets, that's right, 2 sets of extra tips. So in case I lose them, or they get damaged somehow, or they're just too dirty and you can't really clean them fully, I've got 2 extra pairs. Absolutely fabulous. So this then effectively ends the video. Please guys, show me a huge like for me getting my AirPod Pros replaced, the actual AirPods themselves. Please guys, share this video and tell your friends that if they have a early build AirPod Pro from November or December and you're experiencing those sound issues with the crackling noise and weird noises in your AirPods, make a Genius Bar reservation and take them back to the Apple Store and tell them your issues, and hopefully, just like me, they'll give them brand new AirPod Pros. If you guys would like to, please subscribe. Take care, have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.